6:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Indianapolis, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Southport and Homecroft around 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Beech Grove, Wynnedale, Spring Hill, and Monument Circle around 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Rocky Ripple and Indiana State Fairgrounds around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Warren Park, Crow's Nest, North Crow's Nest, and Broad Ripple around 6:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Indianapolis, Lawrence, Cumberland, Geist Reservoir, and Castleton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 91 and 126. Interstate 69 between mile markers 200 and 202. Interstate 70 between mile markers 75 and 93. Interstate 74 between mile markers 73 and 100. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Johnson and Marion,